Hey there, it's Mike Field. I'm giving you the quick market update for this month, March 2020. So last month when we did this, we scored it out and 61% of these markets were pro-seller. Well, it's slightly softened up to the tune of only being 55% this month. Well, what does that mean? That's the second highest we've seen in the last 24 months. So it's still very aggressive pro-seller, just a little bit less than it was for the month of February. Now, the second point I want to make is 92% of the market from 150 to 3.25 is pro-seller. Thirdly, East Greenbush from 450 to 5 right now has very limited inventory. This is great if you're thinking about selling your house and you're in East Greenbush from a 450 to $500,000 range. This is a great time to be on the market because buyers don't have a lot of inventory to choose from. Fourth point I want to make, from top to bottom, North County has the lowest overall scores. So that means that that's the best market for sellers from top to bottom when considering all these price points. Next point I want to make is in the last 30 days, if we look at Bethlehem from 150 to 175, that score went from 0 to 5.2. That means there's been a ton of new inventory in this price point, which is great for buyers. And actually, to take that one step further, if you're looking in that market from 150 to 175, this is a really good time for you to be making a buying decision because you may not see that score this high again. Historically, that score hovers somewhere below 2. So for that to be 5.2 right now is a great opportunity for people looking for inventory in Bethlehem School District from 150 to 175. Last point I want to make is the one that we've been hearing for the last 2 years, which is that the interest rates are low, but they've never been this low. If you are thinking about purchasing, you really need to be paying attention to that and what you could be locking in at right now. If you own a home and you don't have any plans on moving, we should talk about what your interest rate is and what you might be able to save based off of where you could if you refied. It's not for everybody, but it's probably a discussion we should have if you have intentions on being in your home for the next 5-7 years, and also if you have a question on where your rate is right now. So hope that's helpful for you guys. Again, just keeping up to speed with what's happening in the real estate market. As always, if we need to talk about your interest in buying or selling, we can help you make great decisions based on the data we have available. Thanks so much. Hope you guys have a great day, and we'll see you next time.